everyone, welcome to Mrs. Chin's class. Okay, today we're differentiating trigonometric functions. Trigonometry, we learned it in the past years, sine, cosine, tangent, and so on. And we can actually differentiate those things. Okay, people, here's the differentiated version of sine and cosine, tangent, and everything. So please copy these things down. So if you differentiate sine, this is the original ones. If you differentiate sine, you will get cos x. If you differentiate cos x, you'll get negative sine, and the same thing follows. Okay, let's have a go at easy question first. So y is equal to tan 3x. Right, if I differentiate this one, where's my tan? Tan's over here. If I differentiate this one, it's going to be 6 squared, right? So, and then x, so if it's 3x, it's going to be 3x, right? Okay, again, actually, we can put this in the bracket, this in the bracket, all right? Then, using the chain rule, what do we have to do? We need to differentiate what's inside and multiply outside, which is 3, right? Okay, so what's my final answer? I'm just going to combine them together. 3, 6 squared, 3x. And this will be my final answer. Easy. Okay, then let's make it a little bit more difficult this time. It's negative cos and 4x minus 1 inside the bracket. So cosine, if I differentiate, it's going to be negative sine. So have a go. How would you change it? Okay, so if you differentiate this, it's negative cos at the moment, but if you differentiate the cosine, it's going to be negative sine. So negative going to be positive. Yep, like this. And what do you need to do? I need to differentiate inside again according to the chain rule. I'll pull it out. What is it? Multiply by 4. Well done. Okay. Just combine and rewrite your solution. It's going to be 4 sine and 4x minus 1 inside the bracket. Alright, then this time let's have a go at differentiating this function. Okay, it says differentiate cos squared. But have a look at this one. It's just cosec, it's not cosec squared. Then what do? What am I going to do? Remember, we can rewrite this equation like this, because we can pull out squared and make a bracket and make the squared outside the bracket. In that case, we can just use a chain rule, pull it down, and do the same thing. Okay, like this. I pulled 2 down, became 4, cosec to the power of 1. Right, according to the chain rule, I need to differentiate what's inside the bracket. So how would you differentiate this? There you go. Cosec, if you differentiate, it's going to be negative cosec x times cotangent x. And I need to simplify this. Okay, so negative and 4 become negative 4. Okay, I've got cosec squared, and cotangent. Yep, so like this. It will be your final answer. Okay, finally, let's try this last question and finish this lesson. Right, again I have fraction and x is at the bottom. So now it's, what should we do? Okay, we've done this many times. I can put this into the negative power. Now I need to differentiate it. Okay, so according to the chart, if I differentiate sine, it's going to be cos. So there you go. I replace it to cos. Okay, then don't forget the chain rule. I need to differentiate it once again. Okay, and the final answer, I can simplify it like this, because that one inside the bracket is 2 over x. Okay, cosine 2 over x. negative 2, and this is 1 over x squared, right? So x squared goes at the bottom. Okay, so today we just learned how to differentiate the trigonometric functions. So if you just know this chart and follow the chart, then it will be straightforward. Okay, then I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.